Hey everyone, what a beautiful day to ride. I was about to get ready earlier, but when I was about to go and open my garage door was jammed, and I thought it was the just the electrical, but I figure out that the spring got snapped off. So I went to buy the spring right away, which is this one here. But the only thing right now that I don't have is I don't have no tools. And at the moment, if you need to fix this one right away, you need to have the tools right away, and there's nowhere right now where I can buy this winding rod. So I'm thinking of just to like make one. So I have this tubing. This one, it should be long enough, and it should be strong enough. And this bolt, and this is the what I'm going to attach it to the end. And this one, it should be strong enough, because since this is the bolt. So all right, so that's the only way right now to figure this thing out, right? So I'm pretty sure we can do this one, and plus this is not this is not a full garage door, so and all the rollers are all secured. All right, so second step now is to winding the spring. It's gonna be a challenge. So I don't have a tools. I was just gonna make something up, which was I was thinking about this. All right, let's do this. Let's flip it. So my plan is to cut this into half, and I have this bolt here. I'll just gonna head off this one, insert this one there, and weld it. So same as the other one too. Cut this end out and then put it in the other side and weld it. All right, so we'll see. So I hope this bolt is strong enough. It should be, because this is a bolt, right? So it's how do you call that? heat treated. It has the strength better than regular steel. I think so, because it's a bolt, right? All right, let's do this. All right, so I have the door. I got the door in places. So what I did in terms of the measurement, I'm not an expert again. So the tension of the spring is as long as you can lift it by one hand. So I lift it. So that's how I measure it. But again, like as long as you can lift it by hand, so I have to do it 3 times to adjust the spring. All right, so now we're just gonna put this. Good to go. All right, this is my last step to do. Okay, so now I'm setting up the motor because I think it's way too far down or too far up, probably. It's so good. All right, so it's all good. All right. Whew. Finally, it's done.